So with the old Gevey, you gotta make sure you're on the 12.2 software. 12.1 would not work. So once you insert the Gevey in here, you can put a Verizon, T-Mobile chip, whatever chip the customer is gonna be using. Everybody does it differently, but the way I like to do it is just do star pound 005 pound 7672 pound 00 pound, and I'll just select this. You can select Verizon, T-Mobile, and then you click on ICC ID, and you can go ahead and put the ICC ID 890141104. Wait, I messed up. 89014127922589925. And I'll just say accept. There we go. Now we just gotta put the ICC ID or the Gevey inside the phone that we need to get unlocked. You gotta be very careful with these. They're very sensitive and they can break easy. Touching them the wrong way is like touching an LCD. There we go. Phone is now unlocked. If it does give you an error, just head back and it'll do it.